What's up, guys? KG Trading here with another video. Today this is going to be another live day trading video, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start it off with my swing trades. I did get stopped out today. Show you over here. Lost this much today, but I actually made money total. If I show, well, I can't exactly show, but I did all the calculations out, and I only made like $5 basically, because I was up like $21 yesterday. I lost, well, up around 18, lost this much, so I made $5 total. Not the best trade. I had my stop rate. You can see I got in here, I sold them here. I made money. You can do the calculation if you want. It's not showing me that, but anyway. So that's that trade. Let's get into the day trading. Ah, I put you on the wrong monitor once again. Sorry about that. But anyway, you can see my trade right here, right here. Did make money. Wish I did sell it pre-market. I was watching them here, but I thought there'd be a lot more continuation. Instead, they really crashed, and I got stopped out right in this opening bar, right at 1977, which is near the low. I do wish I took the stop out, but I was in the middle of my school, online school, um, which is very unfortunate. That's why I'm coming in late to day trading. So let's go ahead and start the day trading. All right. So I'm just clicking on stocks in my scanner. Jesus. Okay, this stock is halted. Big opportunity on this one. It's pets. Okay. We got this one, COPS. I remember this guy from like a couple months ago. Got some opportunity here. I don't have too much money to use since I used a nice amount of it yesterday, but 70-ish bucks. Just gonna go through. I'll show you one or two. You can see the scanner. Pets is up the most. I sort it by percent change. This one has the most volume though. Load. So I'm on load now. This shows basically where the most majority of the people are. Okay, so zoom in. Well, let's analyze them first. Let's zoom out. Do this. So let's get some price levels in here. Resistance. Obvious support. Okay. Next upcoming resistance would be right there. That's about all for now. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to drag this up. I'm going to buy this break. I was hoping for a bigger pop. This is going to be a tiny trade. Very tiny trade. But that doesn't matter. Got in at 32, so I'm looking for maybe 20 cents. Okay. All right. And I'm out. Bam. Easy 30 cents a share right there. Done. If only I got in with more shares. Quick and easy trade. I analyzed that just quick enough. I didn't have time to up my share size because it happened so quickly, but I did execute. Good trade. All right, so I was just searching through my scanner for other stocks and analyzing other ones, but this one is pulling back. I want to see it at this line. I want to see it be a support, and then that's when I'll get in if it starts to bounce. I'm gonna get in with 3. Oh, not 100. 3. I'm gonna have to change that in my setup because I don't have too much money to use, so it does not need to be at 100. Um, so we got a couple seconds left. If it breaks 746, that's when I'll get in. My strategy is let it pull back kind of like that, and then once it shows that's actually going to be better than this bar, that's when I get in. Okay. In. Okay. Let me do this thing real quick. Out. Easy, quick. My setup is working great on this stock. what I get in. I got in at 749, so we can call that 50. So it was what? Wait, did I get filled high? Well, I got filled way up here. I wanted to get filled right here. 46. It's okay. 3 cents more. So I got it at 764. I got in at, call it 750. So 15 cents I made really quick. Obviously, it's not bad for only 5 shares. How much money do I got left to use? $30. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, we can wait for it to come and pull back. Obviously, it would be nice to hold, but I'm in for the quickness. That's the whole thing of day trading. Um, pull you up over here. Made a little bit of money on them, but P&L day is down because I did lose money from the ones I was swing trading yesterday. Made a video on that. If you want to go check that out, I'll put a little card up in the top right up here somewhere. Should be up now. Okay, I'm on load again. If it breaks over this line, 787, I'm gonna get in. Okay, just drug it. I'm gonna try using my hotkey. I've never used hotkeys before, but I want to try it. I'm up, not that much. Is it gonna break 8? Broke 8. Not no big sells, no big sells yet. They're coming back down. Looking at the ask size, there's nothing big. This candle's gonna close. I got filled high. This 89. Yeah, I got filled high again. That's what you get with market though. So it's gonna get out. Did not work. I'm gonna hold it. If it makes lows, then I'll get out. 770 is my stop. Obviously, I can't have a stop and sell because cash, so it will come up saying it. Sorry. Just waiting real quick. I live in a big household. There's always going to be background noise. There's so much volume in that bar. Not too much in this one. This candle's going to close any minute. I'm basically break even on this candle. It's gonna close red. Might do a little quick pullback to the EMA and shoot back up again. That's what it's been doing here. Oh. Hopefully my hotkeys do work, because I've actually never used them, and I'm kind of relying on them in this trade. My hotkey to buy should be Shift Z. My hotkey to sell should be Shift X. I'm going to sell into resistance, hopefully. Up here, I like... Okay. Dang, I was just about to click the button. If it breaks over 8 again, I'm just going to sell it. It's got some big resistance up at 8. I was debating on selling it up here. There's a lot more selling. There's just a big bid. 10. 10, I guess, is kind of big. But now you can see the ask size is actually bigger. All right, I'll give it a couple seconds. Ooh. Should have just stuck with my plan there. You can see I'm doubting myself a lot right now. I said I was going to sell it above 8, and I didn't. It's my mistake. Oh, it's another pullback to the 9 EMA. The risk to reward is not good. It's about a 1-to-1 if I sell above 8. Didn't make a higher high. That's not what we want to see. It didn't make lower lows though either, so it's kind of not up. Well, it's obviously uptrend, but it's not starting a downtrend yet. But it might be. Get out right below this. Have my hand on the hotkey. Hopefully it works. Okay, it does work. Well, I'm getting out. So, just lost money. I don't know exactly how much. Show trades is on, but it ain't showing me, which is a little annoying. Oh, there we go. Now it's showing me. You could see. So I got in at 89. I sold at 78. So it was 11 cents down. See, that was a bad trade. Obviously it would have been good if I took my profits up here, but I didn't, and I didn't do it again because I was hesitating. I was doubting myself, and then in this candle, I said it's not really going up or down, so it might be the start of a downtrend, and that's exactly what happened. So that was good analysis. Just check if I have any more money. I have $6. I cannot play these guys, but my other two trades were great trades. This trade, no, because I was doubting myself and I should have just taken a profit. My risk to reward was not that good either. I did get filled a little high. I think it was 4 cents higher than I wanted to, which is pretty big if you're day trading. I'm sure you guys all know that. So now they're going to start the downtrend. So now I'm not going to look at them. Okay, so in this trade, basically what happened is I traded, but I muted myself somehow. So it's gonna be a little voiceover. I'm gonna pause and start it and play it so I can tell you what happened. So play this. So basically, I'm analyzing these guys and I'm saying I'm gonna get in over this high of this candle. I'm gonna use my Shift X or Shift Z button, my hotkey to get in, and I hit it, and then you can see it comes up with some order window, and I close it because I don't know what happened. And now I'm hitting Shift X, get in. You can see up here, I'm spamming the button. Nothing is working for me to get in. Um, it would have been a good trade if it did let me get in. I would have been selling it here, still hitting the button. Sticky keys come up. Uh, so I don't know what happened here, but it did not want to let me get in. I was saying, "Oh wait, am I missing money?" No, and then basically they continue to go up, and I just get really mad because um, it didn't let me get in. I'm not too sure what happened in this trade. It was great analysis. I was saying if it gets over this candle, basically it's gonna come up, it's gonna pop. I don't remember if there's a big bid on it or not. But yeah, and then if I skip forward some in the trade, you can see I hit Shift X again. I'll go back a little bit actually. They're still continuing. So I'm like, well, is my button working? So I hit Shift X and now it works at the top of the trend. And then it puts me in for 100 shares for some reason. You know what? I just figured it out in this recording. It's because in my setup I have it for 100 shares in and out. That is why. Because now it's putting me for 100 shares. That explains it. Okay, so I need to change that. So good thing I just figured that out now. So in that last trade, I had a voiceover on it. But yeah, you can just see that trade would have worked out greatly. I definitely wouldn't have held it this long. I might have gotten in here again, but I wouldn't have. I wouldn't have because I wouldn't have money. Anyway, you would have saw it was a great trade. They just wouldn't let me get in. Um, let's go back to CLPS to analyze my trades on this stock. Or it wasn't CLPS, it was Load, LODE. Okay, what's going on here? Made pretty much nothing, but my trades were pretty accurate. Why does it do that? So I did get in at $2, or I got in 2 shares at 7.32, which is right here for the pullback. Sold them at 64. Great trade. Oh no, that was here. I bought them at 732 and I sold them at 62 on this candle. And then I bought them down here at 49 for the break. Sold them up here for another nice gain. This one wasn't too good. This is the trade that I did lose money on the stock. What I should have done is did my setup down here. I should have bought over when it started to go over this candle. I should have bought in there and rode it all the way up. I should not have bought in all the way up here for the break over these highs. I should have bought it for the break of this low. That confirms the uptrend. The break of the high did work, but that could have been a resistance, and then I could have just bought in and it dropped like it kind of did. My risk to reward ratio in this trade was a 1-to-1. Not good. That's not a trade I want to be in. Basically, that means I would be making the same amount of money if it went up as if I lost. So, or my profit to loss ratio would be the same. You normally want a 2-to-1, if not better. That trade didn't work out. I did call this pretty nicely. I said if it breaks this low, it's going to rip down. Did call that nice. And they're still downtrending to now. But yeah, go over to my P&L. This is from the swing trade. Didn't work out too good. I lost money on this one overall. I made money on APHA overall. I think it was around $4. So I'm up overall, even though it says I lost 13. Past 2 days, I'm actually up over $5.50 now on this tiny little account I do have. So just a quick overview of my swing trade on APHA. Bought them at 1843, sold my 1977. I got stopped out today. Go on to 1 day 1 minute just to show you. I was watching them pre-market. They went up so much. I was debating on selling them pre-market, but I didn't want to. I thought maybe, the trend might continue. All it did is sell off, and then market open. Second bar market open. Comes down to my stop of 1977. I get stopped out here, and I was in the middle of my classes for school, but I wanted to buy, and it didn't let me, basically. I put buy market in, and it did not work. But yeah, that would have been nice. Saying that after the fact, but that would have been a nice trade. So I did lose $9.80, not 900, off of what I did make yesterday. So it's still a profitable trade. I'm gonna switch over to monitor 2. Made just a little bit day trading these guys today. I only had like $60, so not too much. I mean, that's 1%, a little over 1% of my money today, just using it. That's not bad, I guess. This is a very small account, so. But yeah, I did lose money on these guys. But overall, in the last 2 days, I made over $5. So, with that said, thank you for watching. I hope you like, subscribe, share if you feel the need to. With that, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.